Alrighty, you can see it. Third time out here. This time, guys. Hey, by the way, I hope you're all doing well out there. Hey, all right, people, we got another one. I hope you're all doing well out there, by the way. So, we're gonna be going. Oh, it's closed. Ain't that it? Where'd you go? Let's go downstairs. Yeah, let's keep going. So anyway, we're gonna be going down to Museum of the Future. All right, this is the third time around, and this time we're gonna see what's inside. All right, we're gonna see what's inside. I just saw the entry that leads to a straightaway close, but I'm gonna double check that downstairs. Anyway, once we get there, you know we're there. Before all that though, make sure to drop loads of these. Sub to the channel if it's your first time on here. Share the video if it's any useful to you. We love you all here, and we love your support. So, without further ado, let's get down to business, people. Let's do it. Bang, bang. Action time. Guys, here we are once again. All right, here we are once again. Check it out. I'm not gonna dwell on this because if you want this part of the video and see what the building looks like, you're gonna have to go on the channel and find it. All right, the title is the Museum of the Future, Dubai Museum of the Future. All right, so now we're gonna go what's going on out there. I don't even know where I'm walking on, but the place looks a little bit different now. All right, if you have not seen the video, anyway, that's but it looks totally different now compared to before. Yeah, let's see what's going on out there. So I'll see again once I'm in there. Peace. Check it out, we all here. So we're gonna go inside the building right behind me, the Museum of the Future, Dubai's Museum of the Future, and we're gonna see what it has to offer. All right, it's 145. Okay, to get inside, it's 145, and yeah, I'm gonna put all the details on screen, you know, for you guys, so you can enjoy that. Alright, what's going on? Alright, that's what the entrance looks like. Let me tell you something, yeah? You can't get in here if you don't have a pre-book. Listen carefully, a pre-book ticket, because they're sold out apparently till the 8th of March. So I'm gonna go online and see if I can get tickets online, and we'll take it from there, really and truly, right? So I'm not gonna bother filming. If you want to see more of it, go to the channel, and we got it all covered day and night. I need to get out of here. It's another spot. It is what it is. I'll get a ticket. Once I get a ticket, we'll be back here again. Okay? Inshallah. Yeah, baby. So, ladies and gents, boys and girls, from Akim. All right, Akim. I did my best. I'm here. We just can't get can't get inside without a ticket. Not without a ticket, but we can't buy the tickets on, you know, at the entrance. And they're sold out anyway, for what I've told you. So what I'm gonna do, as I already said to you, I'm gonna get this thing sorted. Once I get it sorted, yeah, we'll be back and see what's inside. Okay? Stay tuned up, because we got more things coming up. All right? On the channel, we got more coming up. All right? So thanks for watching. If this was helpful, make sure to thumbs up the video. Share the video if it is useful to you. We love you all here, and we love your support. So as usual, keep it safe, keep it lit, and we shall surely see you on the next one. Let's do it, people. The word of the day is... Word of the day, guys. Word of the day is... Right? Keep your mind on things that matters. Don't get distracted, for what that worth anyway, by anything. Fuck the noise. Stay focused. Remain on your goals. All that matters, as we always say out here, is you. You matter. Nothing else. Peace out. Well, sorry, but yeah. Word of the day, guys. You matter. As usual. Okay? Be mindful of what you consuming. Be mindful of what you consuming. Okay? You must keep your mind clear from all mannerism of noise. What matters is you and your ambition at the end of the day. Right? Cut the noise. Cut the noise out of your life, and you will see your desires come true. Cut the noise. Peace. Tell me if this is not lovely, seriously? Yeah, this is yours. You can wear them too. And be yourself, live your life, right? I'm telling you, man. It's all about you. Check out that lenses. Can you see it? Check it out. Get out there, get back into nature, man. Don't let them befool you. Don't let them befool you now. Let's do it.